guys, it's me. And hi. Yes. I just want to say, since the economy or whatever is going downhill, after this year, my mom is dropping her phone, and me, my mom, and my brother are going to share this phone. So, it's not really mine now. She's standing on my chest. Hey, baby. Do you like the camera? Hey, baby, okay. So this is what she's doing. There's loads of attention. Oh, your breath stinks. Roxy, say bye.